Welcome to the HSB&E induction for our PS12 Leadercraft table saw. My name's Joshua. I've been a member for about the last 10 years and I've been the woodshop course leader for the last 3. I'm the one who wrote this course, and while I'm not a professional, I'm not a cabinet maker or anything by that by trade, we've put a lot of research into this course and we hope that it works very well for you. The point of the course is safety. We're aiming to take people who have no table saw knowledge at all to be able to make the saw useful for them safely. It's to educate you on all the risks and how to avoid them, and it's to show you how to use the saw without damaging it. There's no real component here about how to do the most effective use of the saw, because then the course would be much longer. Because this course is aimed at people who've never used the saw before, we do make a couple of oversimplifications and a couple of rules of thumb that don't hold particularly true at advanced usage. That's fine, we understand that. The idea here is that we have people from all walks of life who come into our workshop and just make sure that everyone here is safe. The structure of the course is that there'll be a series of videos, and after each video there'll be a short comprehension test to make sure that you've paid attention. Once you've gone through the entire course online, then you'll have to do a practical test. The practical test can be done with any of the nominated people, and it'll just be showing that you can physically move your body in the way required to do the things that you've learned. And just as a last check to make sure that you haven't picked up any bad habits. The practical component of the course is going to be performing a crosscut, performing a rip cut, and changing the blade in the saw at the very minimum, although the person testing you may want you to do extra things depending on their assessment of you at the time. The course is basically 5 components. We have materials, what's appropriate to use on the saw. We have risks, what can go wrong. Safety, how to mitigate those risks. Anatomy, which is all the different parts of the saw. And then operation, which is the actual things that you can do with the saw. The course is about 1 to 2 hours long, and by the end of it you should feel pretty confident in using our saw and know it well. So let's get started.